Hi guys, welcome back to Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe with you. So today is $1 Million Dip. Don't know why they call it that, but it's pretty good. So I'm starting out with a block of cream cheese, and I have 8 slices of bacon that I already cooked and cooled, and I'm just crumbling it up. Too lazy to chop it with a knife, so I'm just shredding it to pieces with my hands. And then to that, I'm going to add about half a cup of sour cream. I was eyeballing it, so I probably added a little bit less, but that's okay. Then I'm going to add 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. The bag that I had was a brand new bag, and it said 16 ounces on it, so I just eyeballed it, added half of it. Then I added a 1/4 cup of green onions. I feel like this is where all your flavor's at, so I love green onions. I almost added the whole bunch just because I like it. The recipe also calls for sliced almonds, and I wasn't feeling that, so I left that out. But in the description box below, I'll put the actual recipe I was following. But of course, you can omit things if you need to or want to. And then you just mix it up. And I knew it would be hard to do by hand because of cream cheese, so I just went ahead and threw it in my stand mixer. Mixed it for a little bit until I thought everything was well combined, and then I dumped it to a bowl. And it is pretty thick. It's definitely one of those recipes you could probably make into like those cheese ball looking things where they put the almonds on the outside. You could probably mold it into that if you wanted to. But I just put it in this dish and smoothed it out to an even layer. Then you refrigerate it for 2 hours, and then you serve it with Ritz crackers. So this is super quick and easy little dip recipe. I know New Year's is coming up, and if you need a quick appetizer, you can always go with this. Super good. And even Raylan liked it, which is really surprising because I have very picky family members, but delicious. I hope you guys give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.